So let's now come to the CMT program. It has three levels. First level is about foundation principles of technical analysis. The test will be multiple choice. The time will be 2 hours. There will be 132 questions. 120 will be scored, and 12 will be trial questions. So 12 trial questions, we don't know which are those 12, so we don't need to worry about them. We have to answer basically 132 questions in 2 hours. Okay. Level 2 is the application of technical analysis methods. Again, it is a multiple choice questions. The duration is 4 hours, and 170 questions will be there. 150 are marked, and 20 are trial questions. Again, we don't know which are these 12 questions, 12 questions. Basically, why CMT does that is to add new questions to its question bank. They try to check that how people respond to those questions. Okay, and based on that, they will add them to their question bank, or they may remove them. Okay. The work of the level 3 will be basically application and the work of CMT chartered technical analyst. Okay, it will have multiple choice questions and short answers. Most will be short answers. Only multiple choice will be maximum for the ethics and behavioral finance. Other than that, most will be short answers. Basically, you'll have to type down the answers, say, and um, you have to answer them in say 1 line to 5, 10 lines, 5, 7 lines, not more than that. Okay, so you don't need to write an essay. 1 line to 5 lines, in that range you have to answer them. Uh, Answering a very long question will waste your time. Okay, so generally we should not do that. There will be approximately 50 questions, but it may vary between 40 to 55 questions. That is what we can expect. Okay, the key activities and benefits of members. So, CMT Association has one option that you can become a member. You can become an affiliate member or a professional member. Okay, affiliate member is those members who have not got that CMT designation. You can still be a member, and professional are basically those who have attained all the three levels, passed all the three levels, and then they take the membership. They are called professional members. Okay, it's not necessary to take membership to give the exams. It is an optional thing. The membership fees is $325 plus 18% GST for India. If you are not in India, then you'll have to check your country's say tax, right? Whatever is the tax. That comes to around $383.5, and that will be approximately 33,750 rupees, right? What you will get for this is basically access to the research publications, webinars, education resources, whatever are there. It will include all the three levels curriculum also, right? So if you take that, you will get the curriculum of all three levels on the portal itself. It will be a digital copy. Networking and leading market professionals. So basically, you can do networking in the seminars and webinars associated done by the CMT Association. Discounts, you get discounts for CMT symposiums. Some of the events will be free, some of the events will be charged, but they will be members will be charged less. Okay. Continuous professional development through member only content. So there's some content which is only available for the members. Okay. So you get access to that. Okay, but it's not a compulsion to give the exam. You don't need to take the membership. If you wish, you want to take the membership, then you can take it. Okay. You will get an affiliate membership if you are not a CMT, you have not cleared all the three levels of the CMT. Okay. About CMT program, it's a global standard in technical analysis. Global golden standard. So basically, it's what we can say is the highest possible designation in technical analysis. Exams are held half yearly, generally in June and December. It may change, like sometimes it may start at 30th of November, so almost December. Okay. Exam will for this year it will take place. The next exam is will take place between 1st December to 16th December. So you can select any one day. Okay, it will be just 1 day exam of 2 hours. Okay, you can select the date as per your convenience. You can select that timing as per your convenience, whatever is available. Once you make the payment of the CMT exam, then you can go to the Prometric Center website and There you can select the date and the time. Okay. If you are if you take our classes, and then we can help you with this. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. It illustrates the complementary nature of technical analysis with other disciplines, including fundamental analysis, quantitative analysis, and macroeconomics. So basically, it will not cover all of these. Some parts of fundamental analysis will also be covered. Some part of quantitative analysis will be covered. Some part of macroeconomics will be covered. But mainly, it will be focusing on technical analysis, and it is basically complementary for with these disciplines. It is not competing with these. Okay, so any CMT professional is not competing with them. We can work along complementary with other aspects. Equip CMTs with the ability to apply technical analysis as a means of risk management portfolio context. So basically, once you do CMT, you get the ability to apply technical analysis for the risk management purposes, and also portfolio management, system designing. All those things will be covered. It provides disciplined, systematic approach to understanding the law of supply and demand in liquid markets across all asset classes. So basically, it can be used for all asset classes, all sort of instruments like futures, options, cash market, ETFs. You can apply technical analysis in all of these markets, including equities, commodities, currencies, your ETFs. Everywhere you can apply them. Okay. CMT professionals use mathematics, data, and analytical techniques to manage risk and to chart existing market prices to show trends and future pricing. So basically, the major work what we do is manage risk. We chart the data, and basically we trade based on trend, and we can say try to say predict the future pricing. Okay. Every year, the program sees minor revisions up to the order of 10% or less. Major enhancements are done in 5 years interval. The last was done in 2025. So generally, they may change the curriculum by 10%, but this year, 2025, they made a major change. The curriculum has been changed by almost 70 to 80%. Okay. Previously, you would get books and curriculums of CMT, but now it is fully digital. So you will have to, when you will get the access only if you pay for the exam. Other than that, you will not get the access of the curriculum. And that will be only digital. I don't think it's available in physical format. The curriculum makes sure that the practitioners apply technical analysis with discipline and objectivity to remove subjective bias from their processes. So basically, the purpose is that we use technical analysis with discipline and objectivity. We try to remove subjective issues, okay, and have a process, right? No financial background required. Basically, you don't need any financial. People think that CMT can be done only if you have a financial background. It's not required. You can come from engineering, science, economics, or even non-finance fields for the exam. So there's no compulsion for the exam. Okay, there's no qualification required to give the exam. You can be a 10th pass and you can give the exam, not an issue. Okay, the only issue will be with the designation. Okay, you need to be a bachelor. You need to have a bachelor's degree either in finance or business or science or economics, in any field basically. Okay, is a minimum requirement for the designation. So you'll get the CMT designation only if you have a bachelor. So you can start if you are a say 10th pass or 12th pass. You can start doing CMT, but final designation will be only when you have the bachelor's degree. Okay. Another thing required for the designation is you need 3 sponsors. Okay, so if you are taking our classes, we will sponsor you. That should not be an issue. And you need 3 years of experience for the designation. For the exam, you don't need anything. You can just be a 10 pass and you can give the exams. Okay. It validates your expertise in price behavior and market structure. So basically, price action is taught. Okay, market structure, risk management, quantitative and systematic trading approaches, and portfolio and asset allocation strategies. This is just a brief. We'll be talking much more in detail today itself. Okay, on the expertise what we'll be gaining in CMT.